Hi, my name is Federico and I am the CEO and founder of Custom Surgical. Today I'm going to show you what you need to know if you want to order one of our MicroRECs. First thing that you need to know is that the MicroREC is compatible to most of the slit lamps and microscopes out there in the market. So before you purchase the MicroREC, make sure that you check the compatibility list that we have in our website. The second thing that you need to know is to make sure that your slit lamp or microscope has a beam splitter. The beam splitter splits part of the light going through the binoculars to the smartphone camera. It is usually located behind the binoculars. Here are some examples of different beam splitters out there in the market. Now that you know how a beam splitter looks like, make sure that your slit lamp or microscope has one. If it does not, you can order one MicroREC kit with beam splitter from our website. If you know that there is a beam splitter on your microscope, you should order only the MicroREC kit for the microscope brand that you own. Remember, you can always order extra adapters for any other microscopes that you might have in your practice. Thanks for choosing Custom Surgical and MicroREC. For more information, check our FAQ channel and don't forget to follow us in our social media platforms. And if you have further questions, just feel free to send us a message in the email below.